I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Focus key fob. First, a dead battery is the most common culprit. Carefully open your key fob casing, often using a small flathead screwdriver. Note the battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Remove the old battery and insert a fresh one, ensuring the positive side faces up. This simple step often resolves many issues. If a new battery doesn't work, reprogramming might be necessary. Get into your Ford Focus and ensure all doors are closed. Turn the ignition from the OFF position to the RUN position 4 times within 6 seconds. You should hear a chime indicating programming mode. Then, press any button on your key fob within 10 seconds. The car will chime again to confirm successful programming. Sometimes, physical issues prevent proper function. Open the key fob again and carefully inspect the circuit board for any visible damage, like cracks or loose components. Use a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol to gently clean any dirt or corrosion from the battery contacts and other connections. Also, check that the rubber buttons aren't stuck or excessively worn, which can prevent them from making proper contact. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it might be time for professional help. A locksmith or dealership can diagnose more complex issues, such as a faulty transponder chip or internal circuit damage. If you purchase a new key fob, it will almost certainly need to be programmed by a professional with specialized equipment. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful car tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.